Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to see backup photos in Google Photo. Right, so maybe you back up some of your photos and videos on Google Photo and you don't know how to actually locate that. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing first, you have to open up your Google Photo just like this, and all you need to do next is you click on your profile right there on your screen, and you can see get storage, manage storage, backup. As you can see there, click on backup, and here right here you can now see the set of photos and videos right here. All you need to do is you have to click on it because this is where all your backup videos and photo lies in. So this is how to actually see your backup photos and video as well. So as you can see, I post my already, so I just have to click on it right here and it's going to continue backing up. So once it back up finished, and I'll be able to see everything at once. So this is actually how to see your backup photos in Google Photos. Yeah, if this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.